Call 6 investigators are digging into big changes within the Marion County's mental health court.
Some say the court is being phased out of existence, which will lead to more people in jail and more costs to taxpayers. Call 6 investigator Kara Kenny has the story.
This is my rehabilitation certificate.
Edwin Dozier is trying to get his life back on track. He's been in and out of prison for drug and theft charges.
I'm dealing with bipolar schizophrenia and severe depression.
Dozier's one of roughly 30% of Marion County jail inmates diagnosed with a mental illness.
It's pretty difficult. You know, I can't cope with emotions, just, as well as normal people.
But people like Dozier are losing something designed to help them, mental health court. It was previously run out of Court 8 under Judge Barbara Collins, that is, until she retired at the end of 2012.
It is being phased out, is the best way to describe it. And so now we really don't have a mental health court.
Chief Public Defender Bob Hill is concerned mentally ill clients aren't getting the resources they need, clients like Edwin Dozier.
Edwin's chances of getting out of jail sooner are decreased. Edwin will spend more time in jail,
which trickles down to the taxpayer.
It costs roughly $80 to keep somebody in jail with a mental illness. And if we have them in the community and we have them on electronic monitoring, it costs roughly $4 a day. So that's a huge savings.
Jennifer Dieter of Community Corrections says the mental health problem is getting worse.
Mental illness in the jail is on the rise because of all the shutdowns with the state hospitals.
There's always concern because mental health has become quite the big issue.
Deputy Prosecutor Andrew Fogel explains the county does offer a diversion program for the mentally ill, but it's only for a few hundred nonviolent misdemeanor offenders, leaving thousands of other mentally ill inmates to potentially fall through the cracks.
Yeah, it would be a good cost savings if we could get an effective problem-solving mental health court up and running.
Some argue reestablishing a mental health court could also prevent people like Edwin Dozier from reoffending.
Mental illnesses should be dealt with at the source. I think the illness is exactly what it is. It's an illness that needs to be treated.
Kara Kenny, RTV6.
And Judge Barbara Crawford is leading a group of judges, attorneys, and mental health providers to come up with a solution. Crawford tells RTV6 the hope is to get a new mental health court off the ground by October 1st of this year.